Hello everybody, and welcome back to day 52. I had to do it on the phone today because somehow Chrome decided that my version wasn't up to date enough. So at the 11th hour I found that out. So rather than try to figure all that stuff out, I decided I'll just I'll go live from my own personal page, and sure we can share later to Hawkswell and Roscommon Arts Centre and whoever else is out there. So I'd like to say a few hellos. Hello to Trish Santer, Chris Hendricks, John M. Durley, Andy Flynn, John M. Durley's in Davenport. I think Andy is out in Birmingham. Margaret Kilmartin, how you doing, Margaret? Porrick, hello Porrick in Seattle, and Justin and Crystal and Celeste and all that gang. And a special mention to the Epping clan, the Epping clan, Rick and Joan, and they're out in Carrickbanagher, out the road here, and then Geraldine is in New York, and she's a nurse out there on the front line, so fair play to her. And yesterday I saw a message from Joan Epping to see did I want eggs. And of course I do. Keep the eggs coming. They're good old Roscommon hens. So as many eggs as you want to send me, they're all welcome, Joan. No bother at all. So today's song is an old favourite of my own. It used to be sang in my house several times when I was a youth. My cousin Tony Neelan from Kilmurray McMahon in County Clare would sing it, and there's many verses, but today we're going to do six verses for you, and it has a happy ending, which is a rare breed of a song in Ireland. Hi to Caroline Law and Declan McHale, how you keeping? John Whelan, Chris Keenan, how you doing, Chris? I hope you enjoyed today's song, The Banks of the Foyle. We'll give it a go. I know we spot, it's a place of great fame. It lies to the north, and I'll tell you its name. It's my own native birthplace. It lies on Irish soil, and they call it lovely Derry, on the banks of the Foyle. I courted a wee girl, her age was 19. She was the fairest young lady that I'd ever seen. Her cheeks were like roses, her hair waved in coil, and she came from lovely Derry, on the banks of the Foyle. But then cruel misfortune drove me from my home. 'Twas my fate in deep sorrow to sail o'er the foam, and now from dark strangers in grief I recoil, when I think of lovely Derry on the banks of the Foyle. I was fearing that another had a place in her heart, and that from my darling forever I would part, and no more would she brighten with her sweet sunny smile my home in lovely Derry, on the banks of the Foyle. Thanks very much. Thanks, Stephen Gormley. Thanks, Robbie K. Jones out in Madrid. Thanks, Ralph Winkler. Tim Dennehy, Sven. Where's Sven? And John Atkinson and Margaret Kilmartin. And tonight, I posted already on this Facebook page, but there's a wee session happening here in the house with myself and the housemates. It's going to be on the Hargadons Facebook page. Hargadons, Hargadons, which is a pub in Sligo. And this is an initiative set up by John the Map, Sean on Lerscon. And John is a great man for organising gigs around Sligo and promoting Sligo music, which there's a lot of when it's in its heyday and all the pubs are open. So tonight it's a session with a difference. We're playing the session on the web pages or the Facebook pages of the pubs, and it's been sponsored by the breweries, and it's all for charity. So the Matter Foundation for Emergency Respiratory Life Support. So all donations and funds are going to that. So if you're doing nothing tonight at 10:30 Greenwich Mean Time, tune in to ourselves here, myself and Claudia Schwab on the fiddle, and Fanula Kennedy on the 5-string banjo and various other implements. We'll be here for an hour tonight at 10:30. So thanks for watching, and otherwise we'll see you tomorrow at 5 o'clock for day 53 on the countdown to the last day, which is day 60. And I'm trying to get through as many requests as possible. And Margaret Hagan, if you're out there, yours will be coming to you on Tuesday. And Christina Garrido in Majorca, your request is coming tomorrow. So take care till then, and mind how you go. Bye.